This is REALME Narzo 50, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can check your data usage on this device. So to start, you will need to launch settings. From here, if you would like to check your Wi-Fi data usage, go for the Wi-Fi category, tap at these three dots to your top right, go into more settings, and simply enter the Wi-Fi data usage page. If you would like, on the other hand, to check your cellular data usage, instead of going for the Wi-Fi, go for the mobile network. Then, in here you will also have the separate data usage section, and at the data usage page you can check how much cellular data you have used through SIM 1 or SIM 2 respectively, as well as check the data usage by app statistics. And that was true for the Wi-Fi usage as well. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.